Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will walk through how to create a Shopify store. We're going to design a store, add products, and set up payments, covering everything about Shopify in this video. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and visit shopify.com. Once you're on the website, click on the Start Free Trial button at the top right corner. Next, you will need to provide your email address to create an account. Alternatively, you can sign up with your Apple, Facebook, or Google account. Once you've selected your account, this process may take a short time and will create your Shopify store. You can use it for a 3-day trial, after which you can subscribe to a $1 plan for the first month. Now answer some questions like where you would like to sell, which option best describes you, and select your store type. Whether you want to sell digital products, run a dropshipping store, or provide other services. That's it. Your Shopify store is successfully created. The next step is to find an eye-catching theme for your store. Click on the Online Store option in the left sidebar. You will be redirected to the Theme section, where you can see the current theme of your Shopify store. By default, a theme is applied to your Shopify store. To apply another theme, scroll down to find different themes. If you want to explore more themes, click on the Visit Theme Store button. Here you will find many themes, most of which are paid. You can explore free themes by checking the Free box in Filters. Once you have found a specific theme for your store, click on it and then click on the Try Theme button. This process may take a short time and will apply this theme to your store. Now, click on the Publish button next to the theme. Now, to see the preview, hover over the online store from the left sidebar and click on the I button. And this will redirect you to your store website and where you can see your store. Now, the next step is to add products. In Shopify, click on the Products option in the left sidebar. Then click on the Add Product button. Now here you will need to provide your product details. In the product title, provide your product's main title. Then, in the description, you will need to provide complete details about your product. But now, Shopify has added AI Generative, which can easily write the description for your products in minutes. So, click on the Generative Text button. Then provide the details about your product. After that, you can choose the tone of the generative text. Click on the Generate button, and this will generate the description for your product. Simply, click on the Keep button and insert the description. Next, in the Media section, you will need to provide media of your product. You can upload photos, 3D models, and also by URL. To upload the picture, simply click on the Upload button and then choose the desired photo from your computer. This will add your product images. Now, here in the Pricing section, you will need to provide price details of your product. You can add the original price of the product and compare it to the price of this product. Next, you can add other price details such as cost per item, profit, and margin. Now, in the Inventory section, you can add your product quantity. Also, you can check the Track Quantity option, so it will automatically update the quantity when a product is sold. In the Shipping section, you can provide your product weight. In the Variants section, you can provide your product's variants if your product has them. Now, in the Product Organization section, you can provide your product category, product type, vendor, and tags to optimize and clearly describe your product to customers. Once you've entered your product details, simply click on the Save button at the top, and this will publish the product to your Shopify store. You can see a preview of the item by clicking on the Preview button. And here you can see the preview of our product, and customers can purchase this product from this page. Now, the next step is setting up your Shopify store. You can add payment details and other information about your Shopify store. In your Shopify dashboard, simply click on the Settings button. Once you're in Settings, in the Store Details, you can edit your store information such as store name, your phone number, email address, and currency of your store. In the Plan section, you can manage your Shopify subscriptions that you have subscribed to. Next, in the Billing section, you can manage and track your product's billing details. In the Users and Permissions section, you can add your staff details and allocate them with different roles. To add a payment method on your Shopify store, simply click on the Payment option. Here, you can select any provider that is available in your region or you want to add to your Shopify store. In the Checkout section, you can edit different sections for your checkout page, determining what a customer should enter and what should be optional. In the Shipping and Delivery section, you can add your shipping and delivery details, Choose where you ship and how much you charge for shipping at checkout. Lastly, for your Shopify store, there is the domain. Shopify offers you a subdomain that you can use for your store. If you purchased your own domain and want to connect it with your Shopify store, click on the Domain option. Then click on Connect Existing Domain. Here, you can provide your domain details to connect it with your Shopify store. And there you have it. We have clearly explained setting up your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.